How to share multiple responses in same Instagram story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can share multiple responses in the same Insta story. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your story. Now if you swipe up, you should see all of your responses. Now if you want to reply, tap on it and there you'll see share response option. Tap on it. Now you can take a picture, and after you've taken a picture, you will see this response. Now place it wherever you want. After you've done that, then you'll need to save this. Tap on save and then you can cross it out. After you've done that, you will see a different option, that is the different response. You can tap on that and tap on share response. After you do that, you'll see your icon right here, gallery icon. Tap on it and choose the photo that you took earlier. Now place it right here, a different space, and then save this as well. Now you will need to repeat this process a lot of times for the amount of responses that you want in a single story. So tap on that and do it again. And yeah, that is how you do it. Now you can add it to your story. Now if you head back and if you just wait for your story, you will see that you have just shared multiple responses in same Instagram story. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.